Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Runway's motion brush. First of all, open up your browser, then type in your browser Runway AI, hit enter. Now go to the website. Now once you're at the website, you will have to create yourself an account. Now after you've created yourself an account, you will have to scroll down and click on the text slash image to video, and in here you will see the motion brush option right here. Now in here you will have to upload your file that you want to use motion brush on. Click on upload a file, and I'm just gonna go for this bus image right here and click on open. So I have uploaded my image right here. Now always keep in mind to use image plus description so that you can also type in how you want motion brush to work on your video. After that, click on motion brush right here and click on tap anywhere to begin. Now in here, you will have to brush out the area that you want to move in the picture. For example, I want this frame right here to move so that it looks like that the train is moving. So I'm just gonna brush out this area right here. Don't forget that you can adjust the brush size from here and you can use the erase tool from right here. So I have just masked out this area. Now you can adjust the final video from here. For example, how much the brushed area will move horizontally or how much will it move vertically and how much will it move along the z-axis. Now I want it to move vertically so that it feels like the train is moving this way. So I'm just going to move this bar more to the left, I would say, and click on save then. And it is also suggested to add a description as well. For example, move the image in such a way that it feels like the train is moving without having much effect on the girl. After that, click on generate. So my video has been created. So here is my video. So there are some problems, like for example, the traffic is like distorted, but this sun moving here in the background is pretty good as the rays of the sun are coming through the window and the effect of the whole video is changing. So the major problem is this traffic thing right here, which can be improved. So now we're just gonna upload another image and try a motion brush on that image. I'm just gonna upload another photo. I'm just gonna select this one right here. I'm just gonna go back to motion brush again, and this time I want the picture to be like this flame right here on the sword of the Batman, and this torch right here feels like the flame is burning. So I'm just gonna mask this area right here. I'm just gonna move the video a bit vertical, and after that click save, and I'm just gonna add the description. Make it look like as the fire on the sword and the torch is still on and is moving. You can adjust the camera motion from here, just click on it, and you can adjust the camera movement from here. For example, I want to just zoom out a bit, so I'm just gonna adjust that a bit and click on save. Then after that, click on generate. So my video has been generated. I'm just gonna go full screen mode and just play it. Now this right here is very beautiful as the fire has been beautifully done. The camera is moving out and the fire on the torch is also beautifully done. So this was a success, I would say. Now let's do the final image. So here I have added another image. Let's just go to motion brush right here. Click on tap anywhere. So I have these two waterfalls. So I'm just gonna brush these waterfalls so that it feels like they are falling in the water. Now after the area has been masked, click on save and add the description. Make it feel like that the waterfall is running. Then after that, hit generate again. So this video has also been generated. I'm just gonna go full screen mode and click on play. Now this video right here looks pretty good as the water falling looks pretty realistic and also the camera zooms out a bit. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can use motion brush of Runway AI. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.